Welcome to JH. The Toptro mini projector just dropped, and for once, I'm actually impressed. Usually, these budget projectors are about as useful as a screen door on a submarine. But this isn't your typical cheap setup. Toptro claims their name stands for Top Quality Real Romantic Option, which sounds like a bad translation of a Hallmark card, but the hardware actually backs up the hype. They've finally addressed the brightness issue, with some models hitting 15,000 lumens. That's bright enough to actually see what you're watching without having to live in a literal cave. The display quality is where things get interesting, offering native 1080p with 4K support and a 20,000 to 1 contrast ratio. This means your blacks are actually black, rather than that sad, muddy gray we've all grown to tolerate. But the real peak laziness win here is the electric focus. Because apparently, reaching out to turn a manual wheel is just too much physical labor for the modern human. They've put it on the remote. Connectivity is solid too, featuring 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2, and surprisingly, the wireless casting doesn't lag like it's running on a dial-up connection from 1998. In terms of build, they're using sealed, dust-proof technology, so you won't get those annoying black spots that make every movie look like it was filmed in a chimney. The built-in 360-degree speakers are fine for a casual movie night, though they won't exactly rattle your windows. It's tiny enough to toss in a backpack, and the battery lasts about 3 hours, just long enough to finish a movie before the device and your social battery both die. Pricing ranges from $150 to $400, so it's not exactly pocket change for a mini unit. Setup is a breeze thanks to auto keystone correction, which is perfect for people who can't seem to point things straight. If you want a portable theater for your apartment or a camping trip, this is a legitimate contender. However, if you just need something to show boring PowerPoint slides at work, please save your money. This is total overkill for your quarterly sales charts. The tech community is actually losing its mind over this thing because it delivers on its promises, which is a rare concept these days. It's easily one of the best mini projectors of the year if you want cinema quality you can actually carry. If this breakdown helped you out, hit like and subscribe so I can keep judging gadgets for you. What's your take? Is this a win, or are you passing? Drop a comment and let's talk.